Hello again, welcome to Fitous Thai Kitchen. Today we're going to make Kai Toon or steamed egg. This one very light food and healthy. But the ingredient is the 3 eggs, Maggi sauce, light soya sauce, sliced spring onion and coriander. There one more thing here, Iลืม and garlic oil. Okay. While we preparing this one, we steam the water with the steamer. We beat the egg in here. Okay. Okay, while we use this one, right? Because we put the egg, break the egg in here, this amount, right? We mark with the pen, or you can use the rubber band, yeah, to mark it, right? You just mark like this. Okay, you know the amount. Okay, then you put in here, and then you top with the water, double of this amount. Okay. Yeah, 1. 2, and then you beat the egg, or you can beat the egg before also can, until the egg become very fine. This one normally the people have for breakfast with a little bit of rice, or you just eat this one by itself. Okay, now we make the taste. Okay, we use the Maggi, half of tablespoon of Maggi. Two tablespoons of light soya sauce. And then you mix it. I think we have to add a little bit. Okay, and then after this, we use what you call this one?
Sieve.
Huh?
Sieve.
How to spell? S-I.
So I hope you do pronounce it. Just
Yeah.
say sieve.
Sieve. Okay, and we use the sieve, yeah, to do this like this. Okay, and then we throw this one. Then we put spring onion and coriander. This one sliced. Make it. Yeah. And then after this, that's it. And we steam for 10 or 15 minutes, depending on the bowl we use. If the thick bowl, we use 15 minutes. If thin one, we use 10 minutes. Yeah, but to make sure the water in the steamer have to be boiling. Okay, this one boiling. Yeah, this one boiling. Yeah, you look. Okay. Okay, 10 minutes already, right? We open. Phew. Okay, if you want to know is it cooked or not cooked, you use the fork, and then you just poke inside there. You look, come here, come here. If you see the water like this, yeah, very clear, it's been cooked. If unclear, it means not yet cooked. Okay. Yeah. Now we're ready to serve.
Okay, so let's give the Kai Toon a go. Oh, look at that. Looks good. So this is like an kind of egg mousse. Oh, it's good. Just homely. Just, it's a kind of uber comfort food. It's familiar. And this goes so well with everything. And it's so easy to do. You could have this, sometimes we have this, just this with some rice. Up to you, or you can have it as one of your dishes. So good. Bye.